Bird dog. First, we're going to start by making a tabletop position. Our hands will be underneath our shoulders, about shoulder width apart. Our knees are underneath our hips. We're making a tabletop. What you're going to do is you're going to extend your leg back and your opposite arm forward. As a beginner, if you would like to just work on extending a leg, bringing it back, opposite arm, bringing it down, opposite leg, opposite arm, you can. Work yourself up into the core position of opposite arm and opposite leg. We switch positions, trying to be nice and straight. If we're looking to make it harder, modifying it, when we extend out, instead of going straight back down, we bring our knee and our elbow together. Extend out, bring them together, and down. Bird dog.